Well, there you have it. That damaged O-ring. That's my last thing to do to finish off this fuel rail. And of course, I've got a problem. So it looks like I damaged this O-ring. And this O-ring lives on that fuel line that goes to the end of the fuel rail. I was having difficulty putting it on, so I saw within there's some other O-rings in there, and I guess somehow I damaged that one we just saw. This is the fuel inlet at the end of the fuel rail, and that first O-ring there, that's the one we saw earlier, it's damaged. There is a spacer and another O-ring that I dug out of the return line here. Is that the way it's supposed to be? O-ring, spacer, O-ring. And of course, since that one's cut, I don't think that's good to proceed with that. Advice would be welcome.